To remove and install the battery on your Voyageur, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is on a flat level surface and remove the key. Remove the right side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panel away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, remove the fastener on the lower right side of the console. Then, remove the pushpin rivet securing the lower right portion of the console. Continue by removing the pushpin rivet underneath, securing the right fender to the footrest. Next, remove the rubber battery strap. Then, lift the battery cover up and out of the sled. Next, remove the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing, and set aside. Then, pull the positive cable protector boot back to access the fastener underneath. Next, remove the positive battery cable and set aside. Reinstalling the fasteners into the battery posts will help prevent misplacement. Continue by lifting the battery up and pulling out from the snowmobile. Before continuing, clean out the inside of the battery tray with a clean cloth. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, carefully reinstall the battery into the snowmobile. Then, reinstall the positive cable first to prevent arcing. Torque to specification, and reinstall the protector boot. Next, reinstall the negative cable, and torque to specification. Before continuing, apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to both terminals. Also, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Next, carefully reinstall the battery cover over the battery. Then, reinstall the cover strap by hooking it to the tab behind the battery and then securing it to the front tab. Next, reinstall the pushpin rivet underneath the console. Then, install the pushpin rivet on the lower right portion of the console. Next, reinstall the lower console fastener and torque to specification. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure the panel. Finish by starting the snowmobile to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.